Madam Chair, I raise an opposition to the amendment because it does encourage state DOTs to utilize private sector for engineering and design services. The states deserve that flexibility to decide whether it is more cost-effective and efficient to utilize their own staff or to contract with the private sector to deliver such transportation projects. The adoption of this language will encourage outsourcing and will waste already scarce transportation dollars. Countless studies from across the nation confirm that outsourcing engineering and design services on transportation projects is more expensive than using publicly owned engineers and does not speed up project delivery. In California alone, they spend $237,000 per outsourced engineer per year compared to $116,000 per state-employed engineer according to the 2014 state budget. Louisiana spends $197,942 per outsourced engineer year compared to $82,364 for state-employed engineer, according to the consulting firm contracted by the state in 2014 to recommend cost savings measures. Tennessee DOT found that it could save 15% if it brought in more in-house engineers. Colorado DOT also studied the issue, and they saved 29% by bringing the engineer and design services in-house. Adding this language into federal law would be a first step towards incentivizing or even mandating the use of private sector for engineering and design services. States should be allowed to use public engineers if they believe that the public engineers are the most effective at protecting, one, the public interest, two, ensuring public safety. And I'd like to mention that the professional engineers in California govern oppose, as do the transportation trades. Madam Chair, I ask my colleagues to oppose this amendment, and I yield back.
The gentlelady from California yields back. The gentleman